So, traders, on today's video, I want to update you guys concerning how the markets have been looking and what we might probably have to experience within this trading week. And to be honest with you guys, this week, price, actually, the three trading pairs that we always work on, which is NASDAQ, USDCAD, and gold, those three trading pairs, each of their prices have tradable setups. But this is not only about the COT Academy chat, but it's also about the YouTube channel having to share and bring out the knowledge and the experience and the gems for you guys so you can not only be educated, but you can also be updated within every trading week. But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video. Far most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. And to most of all, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And as you guys are all aware, COT Academy has an exclusive 2-day in-person mentorship course. I've left my number down there. You can text me on WhatsApp or give me a call. Do what you want to do so we can communicate, so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the forex gems and the knowledge that you need so you can capitalize independently and be a beginner and professional and be unprofitable to profitable. That's all I can ask of you guys. But for the most part, as I've said, I want to update you guys within the forex markets, how prices are looking and what we might look to experience within the three trading pairs that we always work on. And for the most part of it, first pair will forever be NASDAQ. And on NASDAQ, I just won't say much, but I'm gonna share possible how price might look forward into experiencing and how price is looking. So understanding that price hit this clean push to the upside and price is currently holding a range. As you guys can clearly see, the price is in a range. This range is based on this previous range. As you can clearly tell, the price is this push and price held a possible range that led price into pushing to the downside, creating those lows within the markets. So from price creating those lows, again, we had a push to the upside. And as you can clearly see, price had a push trading below our very same previous range. So trading below this range, there's only two takes that we can focus on. One, are we gonna get the first take will be, are we gonna get a break above so we can continue with our word on possible new all-time highs, or where price is currently trading, are we gonna get a full to break with this range and get bear momentum that will lead price into pushing to the downside? We're just not sure, but that's what we're gonna be focusing on looking forward within the forex markets. So NASDAQ, I need you guys to be prepared and be mindful of two things. Price has a previous price is trading on a previous higher high, which obviously was a range, right? So from that range, price had a push to the downside, giving us those new lows. But those new lows, price had a push again to the upside, holding below our previous range that gave us previous lows, right? That gave us obviously our current lows, I mean. So understanding that those two takes will be based on us having to understand if price fails to break, we're going to look for those moves to the downside. But if price will give us a clean break above, then we're going to continue looking for those possible new all-time highs on NASDAQ. But that better will do. Second pair, which is gold. So on gold, as you can clearly see that prices this push to the upside, giving us this current high, and a push to the downside, giving us this current low, and a push to the upside, giving us a high again, and a push to the downside, breaking below our previous word, our current low, right? So you guys can clearly see that gold has a possible reversal pattern, which is a what? A double top pattern, which price has currently broke below our previous low. So understanding the professional and far most importantly technical way to trade a double top reversal is to understand that price will give a push of a higher high and a push of a higher low and a push again of a higher high, which will be a clean fill to break our previous higher high. With that being said, price will give you a double top, and with a double top, price will give you that push to the downside. With a push to the downside, price will break below our higher low. With a break below our higher low, obviously those will be first few signs of a possible reversal. But all we need to be mindful for, price needs to at least give us a pullback or a retest, which is in a way a lower high formation from a lower low, and price will give us a push to the downside with a clean reversal pattern. So understand that this is a higher high This is a higher low, and this again, price is trading below our higher high, gives us a reversal with a push to the downside. Price will give us a lower low. Obviously, with a lower low, price needs to come back to retest our previous higher low, which is a lower high formation. So from a lower high formation, then that's when we can technically believe that price will give us that move to the downside, and that's all we're going to be focusing on. So on gold, in conclusion, you can clearly understand that we're going to be looking for a pullback or a lower high formation in order for us to confirm those signs of a reversal, and that's all we're going to be focusing on. But if price pushes to the upside, then I guess we're going to just wait and see what is price going to do from there. But for the most part of it, if you're looking to capitalize independently into master what I've just shared to you guys, then I guess you're going to take my number, give me a WhatsApp text, or give me a call so I can come to you for 2 days and educate you and make you a profitable and a professional forex trader with great knowledge, great gems that you can also share to the other people out there. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD, I'm gonna just keep it the way I have to keep it, right, guys? As you can clearly see, prices highs and prices lows. So obviously, with price having highs and price having lows, if price gives you a break above those highs, you're gonna look for moves to the upside. But if price gives you a break below those lows, you're gonna look for those moves to the downside. So you can clearly see that price gave us a break below our wood, break below our lows, and obviously price gave us a break above again. With a break above, we might anticipate, we're not saying we can, but I'm saying we might anticipate a possible move to the upside, and this will be based on you guys having to understand that price had a breakout and a break above and bear and bullish momentum above, which will give us an indication of a push to the upside. Same thing, if price can give you a break above and a break below, and then price gives you momentum below, then we might anticipate those moves to the upside, to the downside. That's just the simplicity of trading forex. But for the most part of it, USD CAD, we're just gonna wait and see. If price will give us a dead break above and trade above our zone, then we're gonna look for those moves to the upside, targeting our previous highs, right? But if price will give you a trade below that zone, then we're gonna look for those moves to the downside, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on. So as I've said to you guys, y'all can clearly see for yourselves that price that those trading week will be great based on the trading setups that I've just shared to you guys. But for the most part of it, I appreciate you guys showing up and I appreciate you sharing the videos, leaving comments, and most of all subscribing to the channel. This is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.